Hey y'all, it's Devon from Davis Orthodontics. So we've had a lot of people ask about what comes in our start bag. So your start bag is what you get when you get your braces on to help keep your braces clean and to help you take care of your braces throughout treatment. So let's get into it. That was satisfying. Okay, so in the bag, first and foremost, we tell all of our patients that brushing is the number one most important part of having braces. If you're not brushing well, you will, I repeat, you will end up with white spots and decalcification. So you have two different kinds of toothbrushes, a regular OG toothbrush, and then you also have a portable toothbrush that you can take with you on the go, as well as a portable toothpaste. Wonderful for school, purse, that kind of thing. Moving on is flossing. Without brushing, you have to have the flossing as well. So everyone knows it is a little tricky to floss while you're in braces. There's a wire in your way. You can't just floss straight up and down like normal. So use something called a floss threader. So this is more so of an old school floss threader, the original. It is a floss threader that you take out of the package here. And it's almost like if you were threading a needle. You take the flosser, and then you take a piece of floss and you thread it through. And what you would lead through your teeth would be this initial tip here, and you slide it under the wire floss and then pull it out, and you go to the next area under the wire floss and out. So wonderful tools here. These are pre-made floss threaders. They're wonderful, and I love that they have pictures that show you exactly how to use them. I'm a visual learner, so pictures exactly on how to use. You don't have to put this together. You literally take it out, floss, and go on about your day. Moving on, everyone picks on me because I call this a snap getter. Some people call them Christmas tree brushes, micro brushes. It's inevitable that when you're in braces, you're going to get something stuck in your teeth at some point in time. So this will really help you kind of get under that wire and get anything out that may be bothering you. Moving on, we're almost to the end of my little session here. Wax. Wax is to help make you comfortable. If you were having any discomfort, whether it's at the beginning of treatment, during treatment, at the end of treatment, wax should be your best friend. If there was wire poking, a bracket that came off, or just a hook on a bracket that's rubbing the inside of your cheek, you simply, and I'm gonna actually open it and do it so y'all can see the goodness. Take a pinch off, not quite that big, this big, and it's kind of like if you were playing with Play-Doh as a child, you just kind of mold it into a ball. Little ball there. And then you would literally take it wherever it is bothering you and smush it into the bracket. I have found that it is best if you kind of dry off the area first. If you have a Q-tip at home, cotton ball, paper towel, whatever, kind of dry, and then just smush it directly in. If you're just sitting it on top of the bracket or just sitting it on top of the wire, it's not going to stay there. You have to squish it in. Okay, and last but not least is this prescription strength toothpaste. Okay, so this is something that we give all of our patients. Prevalent. So it has extra fluoride in it. So fluoride are those vitamins that the dentist puts on your teeth when you go to have your teeth cleaned to help prevent you from getting cavities. A lot of people have negative aspects on fluoride, but it's actually very good for your teeth in moderation. So we ask that our patients use this at nighttime only, and you're going to use a pea-sized amount. I know I am one of those people that when I put my toothpaste on my toothbrush, I put a whole line of it. With this toothpaste, we do instruct our patients to just use a little pea-sized amount. Brush angling the toothbrush the way that you should while you have braces, up and down, and then spit it all out and don't rinse. That's why we say you use it at night before you go to bed. It's sitting on your teeth. It's actually what causes it to strengthen that enamel and prevent you from getting cavities. So you also have this list that goes over all of your eating restrictions, how to brush with wonderful pictures, how to floss with pictures. And it also shows you, if you're not brushing and flossing, what you could end up looking like, which we never want to see here at Davis Orthodontics. So, and not to mention you get an awesome t-shirt for getting your braces on. So that's what you get in your start bag.